Hey everyone, I want to show you how you can set up your external role directory. If we go under the Tools tab, there's a drop down called Options, and then there's a button called iLogic Configuration. When we press this plus sign, we can select the folder where we save our external rules. I save my external rules under this folder right here. I'm going to press OK. I save my files under .ilogicvb, so I'm going to press OK. Now I can access these external rules from any document that I go. So if I open up a new, let's say if I open up an assembly, I can also see these external rules, which is pretty helpful. If I need to create an external rule, I just have to right click on the folder, create external rule, and this is actually going to create a file. I'm going to name this file hello, and in this external rule, I'm just going to create a message box, hello. If I run this, that shows up. If I go back to my parts file, I can also run this and get the same message. If we go to our folder, right, we can also see this is the file we just created. You can save this in your network, or you can put it in Vault so that everybody has access to this file in your company. All right, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you like these iLogic videos, make sure to subscribe. I post tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. All right, talk to you guys later.